All right, I'm going to try to remove a "Do Not Park Here" sticker, which the local enforcement people put on this car. We're going to spray it. This is the residue that he was not able to get off the car before. Once you can get an edge, takes the glue off with the paper. Now all the adhesive just come right off. Get a rag here in a second and I will take all the glue off. Got a rag, Henry? That's pretty good. I'll wipe that off here in a second. Remove adhesive and silicone remover. Okay, just going to take the adhesive off. And that's it. All clean.